Let's begin with homework exercise 21 from section 8.1. Exercise 21 states a person earns $25,900 in 1 year and gets a 5% raise in salary. What is a new salary? Okay, so the raise is 5% of the base of the old salary, $25,900. So we will turn 5% into a decimal, move it over 2 places. So it's 0.05 times 25,900, and that will give us our raise, and then we'll have to take that answer and add it to the previous salary, $25,900, to get their new salary. Okay? All right, so we'll take 5% of 25,900. That will be the first step. So 5% as a decimal is 0.05 times 25,900. And that 1,295 is the raise, right? So now we have to add that to the salary at the beginning of the year, which was 25,900. Add the two together, and the new salary is $27,195. A vacuum cleaner dealership sold 380 units in 2011, 427 units in 2012. Find the percent increase or decrease in the number of units sold. Okay, percent increase or decrease is you subtract the 2, divide by the original. So the larger number is 427. The smaller number is 380. You divide by the original amount. So the earlier amount was what was sold in 2011, which is 380. So 427 minus 380, if we do the math, will be 47 over 380, and then multiply by 100. Now again, it's going to be a percent increase because the number is going up from 2011 to 2012. We're going from 380 to 427. Okay? Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that math on the calculator and then plug in the answer. So it's going to be 47 divided by 380. 47 divided by 380. Just waiting for this. Which is 0.1236 times 100, or move it over 2 places, so 12.368. So the number of units sold increased, as we said, by about, okay, one decimal place. So 12.368, 12.368, we have a 1 decimal, so right here, following the 3 is a 6, so we're going to move it up to 12.4%. Round up to 12.4%. Okay. A man purchased a used car for $3,000. He decided to sell the car for 10% above his purchase price. He could not sell the car, so he reduced the asking price by 10%. If he sells the car at the reduced price, will he have a profit or a loss, or will he break even? Okay, now again, you got to do one step at a time. What he decided first was to sell it for 10% above the purchase price. So you take 10%, turn it into a decimal, 0.10. The purchase price is $3,000. Again, the math is easy. You can do it on your calculator. 0.10 times 3,000 is going to be 300. So that means he decided that he was going to sell the car for $3,300. Okay, 3,000 plus the extra 10%, which is 300, add them together and you get 3,300. Okay, now he could not sell the car, so he reduced his asking price by 10%. So now he took 10% of the asking price, which is 3,300. Okay, not 3,000. He's now asking 3,300. Again, if you do it on your calculator, 10% of 3,300 is going to be $33. Okay, now he reduced it. So, I'm sorry, it's going to be 10% is going to be, use your calculator, I better be careful, it's going to be $330, one decimal over. So he reduced it by $330. Now, his asking price was $3,300. Now we reduced it by $330. So we're going to get, if we do the math, $2,970. Okay? So obviously the man will have a loss. And again, he paid $3,000. So $3,000 minus $2,970 is a $30 loss. Again, you have to take that total after he the marked price, the asking price is $3,300, not $3,000. So we have to work with that when we took 10% in the reduction. Okay, so doing it one step at a time, we get a reduction, or he would be a loss of $30 because he's going to sell it for $2,970. Okay, so it's going to be a loss of $30. What is the sale price on the tax? What is the sales tax on the jacket price at $725? What the sales tax rate is 7%, excuse me. So again, it's just a percentage of the total to get the amount. So the amount of sales tax is 7%. Move it as a decimal, move it over two places to the left. So 0.07 times $725. And that will give us the amount of sales tax. Okay, so 0.07 times $725, and the amount of sales tax is $50.75. Okay, it doesn't ask for the price of the jacket. If it asked for the price of the jacket, we would take $725 minus $50.75, and that would give us the price of the jacket. The sales tax on a used car is $174. The sales tax rate is 6%. Find the purchase price. Prices before taxes are added. So then, what you're doing is the 6% of the purchase price, right? 6% of the purchase price. You don't know what it is. It's X is equal to the amount, the sales tax, which they say is equal to $174. Okay? Or again, you could say, and then, so the 6% of the, or the purchase price, whatever it's X, is equal to the sales tax, which is $174. Or you could, then you would just divide both sides by 0.06 to reduce here to get X equals 174 divided by 0.06. Again, you could set up a proportion. The percentage is over 100, so 6 over 100. And again, you're missing the purchase price, the base, so it would be 174. The base is in the denominator, which is X. So cross multiply, 6X equals 100 times 174, and then you would divide both sides by 6 to get 174. 100 times 74 divided by 6. Either way, you'll get the same correct answer. Okay, one way we can just take 174 divide by 0.06. All right, so if we do that on our calculator, 174 divided by 0.06, and we get the purchase price was $2,900. All right, homework exercise number 26. The marked price is $21. rate of discount is 5%. What's the discount and what's the sale price? So again, the amount of discount is the rate as a decimal, 0.35 times the total, $21. Okay, so we'll take 35.35 times 21, changing 35% into a decimal. So we'll do 0.35 times 21. Okay, so the amount of discount is $7.35. The sale price, okay, so now what? The sale price is the original price, which was $21, minus $7.35, the amount of discount, which will give us our sale price. Okay? So 21, do it on a calculator, 21 minus 735. 21 minus $7.35 leaves us with, 21 subtract $7.35 gives us $13.65. Okay, we're going to stop this session at homework exercise number 26. If you have any questions, send me an email at tschools@hodges.edu, TSWIERSZ, or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.